Hospitals have recorded almost 20,000 incidents of violence, aggression, and challenging behaviour over the past 3 years, and the problem appears to be getting worse. Our latest investigation found that there was, on average, 18 recorded incidents across the hospital system over that 3-year time frame. One senior healthcare professional described what happened to her, an incident in which she was punched and kicked in what she described as a frenzy, before then undergoing some medical tests and returning to finish her shift. Emergency departments in particular are described as bottlenecks, where long waits for care can lead to tension. The Irish Nurses and Midwives organisation believes that hospital overcrowding is a key factor. We also found that incidents have resulted in millions being paid out by the State Claims Agency, and that at least one hospital is now trialling protective equipment, including stab-resistant clothing, for its security personnel. The majority of these incidents impact on staff, but thousands more involve patients, other service users, relatives, and others. You can read the full story at jrnl.ie.